What's up everybody, welcome to Moped Rich. Today I'm going through the process I use for relining a Tomos first and second gear clutch. It's the same process for both clutches. The items needed for this are a couple of hose clamps large enough to fit around the clutches, a box cutter or cutting blade, Fel-pro 3026 cork gasket material, a wire wheel attachment for a drill or a strong wire brush, Gorilla Superglue gel. I recommend this one because it's easier to apply. First, start by removing the clutches and clutch bell from the moped. Then, using some large circlip pliers, remove the circlip holding the second gear clutch in the clutch bell. Next, measure the width of the clutch and cut a strip out of the gasket material to that size. Repeat the process for the second clutch. You should have 2 strips, one for each clutch. Using the box cutter or blade, remove any old cork material from the clutch shoes. Take off as much as you can with the blade. Remove any leftover material on the clutch shoes with the wire wheel brush attachment for a hand drill. Use caution with the hand drill and wire wheel. I recommend using a glove or clamping the clutch down. Now we're ready to glue the new cork material. Wrap the cork around the clutch shoes and cut off any material that's overlapping. Glue one solid piece of cork on each clutch and then cut them into thirds after drying. Apply 3 dots of glue gel to each shoe, 1 dot in the middle and 1 on each end of the shoe. Then carefully wrap the cork around the shoe, applying some pressure and hold it in place. Slide the hose clamp on and tighten it down. It's the same process for both clutches. Let dry for 24 hours. Thanks for watching and follow for part 2 and more moped content. Links to the products used and instructions in the description below.